Hi everyone, welcome to JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to upload file in JMeter step by step. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button. So let's begin. When you open the JMeter, you can view test plan and create a thread group. Right click on test plan, add thread users and then click on thread group. Inside this thread group, you can mention the number of threads, ramp up periods, and loop count. Suppose you want to perform the testing on 100 users, so you can set here number of threads. And this is the ramp up period and loop count. Now add HTTP request. Right click on thread group, add sampler, and then click on HTTP request. In the HTTP request section, you need to enter server name and enter port number and path. And this is the method get, post, put, delete options. These all the options are available here in HTTP request section. Here we can enter protocol either HTTP or HTTPS. Now we will use this example for file uploading. As you can view here, choose file. You need to choose file. So first click on choose file and select this txt file, which is testing.txt. This is the file name, and then click on upload. After uploading this file, you will get file uploaded successfully, success message, and this is the file name. I will show you step by step how you can upload file in JMeter. URL, as you can view here, this is the server name and this is the protocol, which is https/upload. This is the path. Copy this complete URL, open JMeter and enter here just server name, enter https in https section. Here we need to enter https and then enter path in path section. This is the post request because we are sending file to the server. We are uploading file. So here we will select post method. If you want to fetch the records from the server, if you want to get the user list or any record you want to fetch from the server, so you need to select here get. In this scenario, we are sending this file and we are uploading this file. So we need to click on file upload. Here options are available: file path, parameter name, and you need to mention here type. Click on add. Here enter complete file path. This is txt file. So right click here and then click on properties. This is the complete path of this file. Copy this complete path and copy, open JMeter and enter here /bin with file name testing.txt. Parameter name is file. Here enter parameter name, which is file, and then enter here text/plan. Now add the listener here for view result. Right click and click on listener view result. Now we can run. For running this test, just click on start. It will ask for you should save your test plan before running it. If you want to save this test, so you can save, just click on yes and then enter file name. For now, click on no and file is uploading. Request is sending and here we are getting success message. This is the request post HTTPS, and this is the complete URL. Content type text / plain, and content transfer encoding binary. This is the actual file content, and in the response data we can view here file uploaded. We can search here file, and here you can view file uploaded. So that's all for today tutorial on uploading file in JMeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.